Hello everybody, I'm Brian Nessa from Automotive, and today I'm making this video on a question that I got. And the question was, should I buy my own equipment, such as shop equipment that would normally be supplied by a shop, like such as scan tools or smoke machines, floor jacks, those type of equipment that's normally supplied by the shop? And my answer to that question is yes and no. And the reason why I say yes and no is when you first start out, I definitely would not recommend buying shop equipment right away out of the bat. You want to make sure that this is something you really want to do. You want to make sure that this is the career path that you're gonna follow for the rest of your career. And if you buy a bunch of tools like this and decide you don't want to do it, then you're stuck with these type of tools. They're very expensive. You're going to sell them on pennies on the dollar. You're going to lose a ton. But if you decide that this is your career path, I would definitely recommend picking up your own scan tools, your own smoke machines, your own floor jacks, your own fuel pressure testers, those type of things that would normally be shop equipment. And not all at once, but I recommend you pick that stuff up, and that way you can make yourself that much more efficient as far as what you're doing. It helps you produce a lot more labor. It helps you be just a little bit quicker than the next guy that doesn't have that equipment. It gives you that slight advantage. That'll help you out in your pay. And also what it can do is, if you ever decide to go out on your own, you've already picked up the equipment, less expense to start your own shop and do your own thing. So that's my tips and that's my advice on buying your own equipment, like scan tools and stuff. I'm Brian Nessa from Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.